What are standard and itemized deductions on Credit Karma tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The majority of tax filer can choose between taking the standard deduction or itemizing their deduction. Because their deduction reduce your taxable income, they can also reduce your tax bill. The standard deduction refers to specific amounts set by the IRS that you're allowed to deduct from your adjusted gross income. Since it reduces your taxable income, it decreases your tax liability. Taking the standard deduction does not require filing out additional paperwork. When you choose to itemize, you list all qualifying deductible expenses by completing a Schedule A. If you think your itemized deduction could be higher than the standard deduction, you might want to consider itemizing your return. The extra work may result in a lower tax bill. Itemized deduction amount will vary by taxpayer based on the number of qualifying deduction and the total of those deductions. When filing, you will need to list each deduction and be able to substantiate it. That means you must have a proof of the deduction such as record or receipt. If you are in confusion about which deduction to choose, you can contact the customer support of Credit Karma and get more detailed information on this. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.